Hey, how are you doing? Today I was thinking about people's attitudes about their own happiness. And what I hear a lot lately from some of the influencers I'm following, and I'm following them because they're successful in their business, and I'm learning from them. So they say something like, I have a great business. I have a great family, great partner, 2 kids, everything is fine, I'm financially free, but I still don't know where I'm going. And I'm thinking, wow, that's very sad in the way that people spend so much time and effort on building their empire, so to say, and then to the point that they're not sure why they are doing this. And in this example, I'm thinking about some young influencers, like in their 30s or 40s, still pretty young, to make a switch and to actually realize what they want, because it looks like they have been following some American dream, but not their own heart, not their own dream. And it looks like they never actually thought about what they want. What is their dream, So they were kind of like fulfilling expectations of others, looking for maybe validation from others. But they were never asking the question from themselves, like, why are they doing what they're doing? And that's a pretty often phenomenon, I think, nowadays, that people are just... And in those cases, people are quite young. But imagine spending the whole life like this and then not even achieving those relative goals of an American dream, and just like and it would be sad to spend the whole time like this, the whole life, instead of making a stop and becoming really aware of what's going on in your heart. Yeah. Maybe I'm a little bit repeating myself because I'm thinking that's a very important thing. In my last video, I talked also about it. Make sure you watch it out after you watch this one if you missed it. It's just in this video, I wanted to add that if one is not doing it, one can really kind of waste their life and never figure out like what is their happiness about. Yeah? I have a book on personal development. If you're curious, check it out. It's in the description below. There's a link. It's on Amazon. And there I also talk a lot about doing something for others. And I think that's one of the crucial things of understanding that if you want to have more joy and more meaning, you need to learn to share. You need to be a giver. And if you are just concentrating on creating some dream which looks good on the outside, but you don't see any meaning inside, then just a little bit of waste of time. Though for somebody, this could be already the fulfillment of their life, because this is what they want. For example, to educate a couple of great people, kids, and to have a great family. And that is already a lot of meaning, if this is something for you. But if you're doing this just because people expect it from you, then you will not be happy at the end. Because there are difficulties in having a family. And not all children are easy or healthy. There can be so many obstacles. And if you're not even living the way you want, those obstacles might become really overwhelming. Yeah? So it's very important that you decide what you want. You choose your happiness, your destiny, your way of doing things. You can start being happy today. You don't have to build this and house and kids and businesses and everything and then I'm happy. No, you can start from today. If you appreciate every moment, if you appreciate every sip of a nice drink, the sunshine, the possibility to sit down and reflect on your life, the silence around you that you can enjoy, just to rest and to think, wow, I have this amazing opportunity just to reflect about my life and that's great. Yeah. If you learn to enjoy every step, if you learn to look for meaning, for joy in your life, then you can start already today to be happy. And you can at the same time build your own empire, so to say, and be happy even more, multiply your happiness and share and give others, because you have a lot. So that was some of my thoughts after watching a few videos of some influencers who are so successful, in a way that, they have millions of followers and financial freedom and everything that many people are looking for. But that's also a problem, that if you talk about money, if you talk about how much money you've earned, then people want to listen to you. And if you talk about happiness and freedom, inner freedom especially, then people are like, don't really care. And then they earn some money, and then they get trouble with money, and then they are miserable. And yeah, just sometimes I feel like I want to help more people, but you can help only those who want to be helped, and who are kind of ready to make a next step in their development. So it's also a limited number of people, and my abilities are also not limitless. Anyway, for you who have watched this video so far, it means you understand a lot in this life, I think, because that's very important things which we are talking about here. I wish you all the best and good luck in your life. And to make this video more popular, please give it a like so that more people can learn from it. Leave me a comment if this resonated with you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep in touch and to exchange, and I would like to learn more from you. Also, feel free to contact me on Instagram if you'd like, or just in the comments, so that we can have more exchange and to learn from each other. Otherwise, have a great day and see you next Wednesday.